Hello guys, what's more video so today? We're going to play the game that is called Easy. Easy game. So anyways guys, what's more video so subscribe right now. Okay. So I like Easy game and that is called the Easy game. So I'm going to beat her so much. I need to beat her so much guys, right? So anyways, oh my god guys. I need to win guys. Look at you, silly bone. Okay. I just wanted to sleep this game because I really hate this. I'm going to give it the lowest score, I think. So otherwise, what's that? Hey, what are you doing? Cut me. Okay, I'm going to cut you, huh? So let me know in comments what is my favorite game. So anyways, I'm going to win this game. That's called Easy Game, Easy Tower. I don't know. So anyways, I'm going to shake my butt. Shake the butt, I guess. So anyways, oh, oh my god. Hello. Help. I'm going to give you run! Run! Oh namatay na pares ganun. Namatay mataran. Oh namatay mataran. Come on. Hey, no, 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 no. You can catch me. You can catch me. Bro, bro, stop looking. I look like a snail or this someday. Let me know in comments because my voice is completely changed. Because I really wanted to remove my charger. My charger was okay. So anyways, this is my charger and also my tablet. Tablet. So let me know in comments. What is my favorite game? Anito. Stop lagging. Mama. Bro, I look so silly, I guess. Hey you. Hey you. Why is she so fast? You, huh? You are so. Huh? She's annoying, huh? Guys, she's annoying. Hey, you. Hey, ladies. Ouch! Okay. Hello, guys. I'm going to beat them. Hello. Look at her. She's so Hey! Hey, you girl, huh? Hey! You trying me? You trying to throw me? I'm a troller, so you can't make me. Make me myself, or else auto you. I'll fart on you. Oh! Okay, we're going to beat this game, guys. We're going to beat that game, the entire game. So let me know in comments. It's my game that I've ever seen. Okay. Look at you, silly girl. Look at you. Oh yeah! Oh my god! Oi, 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 oi. Hey! I got the train. Huh? 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 Oh yeah! I forgot. Stop it. Look so silly. Bruh! It's so hard. Do! Ah, look at you, loser. Look at that. Loser. Oh no, she's so fast. She's so fast. But I cannot beat it. I can't beat it. Ouch! Ouch! Bruh! This game sucks! Guys, I look like a turtle. Look at you. See the girl. Oh no. Oh no, she's oh no. Oh no, sorry. No! I hate this game! Go! Go! I need to slowly. Very quickly. Hey, yo! Hey! I'm so stupid that I can't beat it. I cannot believe this. I can just beat it for real life. That's a her. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, she's very fast. She's very fast, I think. Let me know in comments. I'm going to beat it so much. I'm going to beat it. I'm going to train them and also practice me. Okay, let's go to shake my noob. Look at you. No. Bro, how did she do that? Oh my god. I did this. Okay. I'm going to leave her, guys. Yeah. Look at her. She's annoying. Look at her. Ah. Hey, no, no. Look at her. She's annoying. I mean, look. Annoying girl, lady. Annoying. Ah. Hello, girl. Shit, that's it, man. Stupid. Girl, I you. Stupid. Haha. Look at you. Look at you, ugly. She's ugly and smelly. And she cannot make it. Haha. Spartan. What is Spartan now? You silly. Okay. It will go to make get random, guys. No one coming. I got one for one day. You need to wait until 4 hours. You need to wait 4 hours. Ano. So, wala mo na akong comments. I should just beat that game. The entire freaking game. So, wala mo na akong comments, right? So, I can just go to the McDonald's and just wait for 30 minutes, I think. For 1 hour or 2 hours, I think. So, let me know in the comment section about this mod. So, I can beat it if I want, guys. I don't want to train them, I think. Stop it! Oy, I look so... Stop lagging. Stop lagging. Stop lagging. Stop lagging, guys. Stop lagging. Okay. We're going to be able to do this. Wait. Come on. Who's that? No! She's so annoying. No! She's so fast. That I cannot beat it. Who's that? Who is her? What is wrong? What's wrong? Did she is cheating or not? She's hacking or not, guys? Let me know in the comment section about this mod. So anyways, I'm going to so much. So that I can just beat it with easy game. What? I thought it was okay, we're almost there. What is green? Why is it high? I can't even beat it. It will take an hour. It will take a minute. Just me and you staring at this corner. So we're going to beat it now because it's high. Because it's high game, guys. This is the highest game. There's me. Yes, I have a. Yes, I have a. Udo. I have a quadrant or I don't know. How can I? Oh my god! Yes. Oh my, look at her. She's ugly. Look at her. She didn't even do it. Come on, do it. Do it. Do it, ah. Do it. Wah. Do it. Go. Me and my bacon. Me and my bacon, guys. Me and my bacon. Come on. Ouch. One is just follow me. Where's Bacon? Where is Bacon? Where is Bacon? Where is Bacon? Ah, come on, guys. We're almost there. We're almost there, guys. I got it. Oh my god, we're almost there. Where's Bacon? Where's Bacon? Where's Bacon? Bacon? With your armpit strong. Armpit strong. I'm going to kiss the armpit because it's back. Bacon. I am Bacon. Where's Bacon, huh? Hey, look at you, little lady. Let's go. No. Guys, I really wanted to obsess falling. So I don't want to fall, guys. I don't know. Obsess falling. Why do I keep falling? No reason. Because I like falling, right? I like falling, right? I think I like this falling. Oh no. But shit, but oh my god, I don't wanna say that, guys. Shake it, shake my boo. Come on, now. Oh. Hi, started once again. It is cool. I wanna party over. I'm going to party over. He's annoying. Look, be careful. Careful. Oh no! She's annoying. Oh no. Look at. Oh no. Oh no, guys. Oh yeah. Okay, let me beat it some more. Some hard. Ah! Oh! Yes! Look at you. Oh no! You can do it. Whatever you want. Oh my god! He's cheating. Oh my god! 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 No, he's already there, huh? Who's cheating, huh? No one will cheat ever again, huh? What's that? What's that, huh? You're trying me to cheat? How dare you, huh? How dare you talk to me like that, huh? Huh? Look at him. Oh, tomorrow, please. I am so sorry. Oh, wait. Oh my god, you. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. I am so slow. That beat it. Bro, he's so fast. Hey, you are all the way back to normal, huh? I can't even see you. Leave this game for hours. Goodbye, guys.